In this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock a padlock using iPhone charging cable. First get your lock. Then get your charging cable. I'm pulling the lock bar to show you that it's a real padlock. Then place charging cable at the door of your padlock key grove. Pull lock bar 4 times. 3 times in a row. Then give padlock 3 taps on the head repeatedly, then turn charging cable to the right. Successfully, you just opened a padlock using Apple charging cable. Thanks for watching. Oh, this random bye bye.